There's so much to watch with this, Megan. It's really interesting. First and foremost, it is no longer a hurricane, it is a tropical storm. But when you look at it, it doesn't even look like a storm. It looks like just kind of thunderstorms. It doesn't look like a typical hurricane or tropical storm. It's very asymmetrical, it's wobbly, it's very east loaded, meaning all the storms, all the rain, all is on the east side of it, not on the west side. So it certainly is very interesting to watch, but it has weakened dramatically. There's been a lot of dry air that's come in, also some shear, which is not a friendly environment for tropical development. It kind of cuts off the top of it. So that being said, that is all certainly good news. But what we've seen is now the hurricane warnings along the Florida coast, the East Coast, have now been replaced by tropical storm warnings, and they do extend now to the Georgia coast as well, and then tropical storm watches in through the Carolinas. So let me show you what we've got. It's going to take all day. It is just nearing the coast, and it will stay just offshore the center. The center right now is 45 miles southeast of West Palm Beach. This is 1 o'clock. You can see kind of the bands moving in, so it's very different than a typical hurricane looks like, kind of with the whole center of circulation moving on shore, completely concentric, vertical levels of the atmosphere all similar. This is nothing like that. The heaviest rain, the strongest winds will stay offshore, but we will be impacted by this. This is even tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Daytona Beach, seeing winds and rain. Florida, maybe 2 to 4 inches of rain and tropical storm force winds. And then on Monday, look, we get into the coast of Georgia. So Monday will be the Georgia coast day. We will see tropical storm force winds, also perhaps maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain along the immediate coast, and then moving in toward Charleston and Myrtle Beach as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Here's the winds. Again, the center winds, which we will not see. These are tropical storm force winds, kind of just brushing the coast today. The center, the strongest wind staying offshore when it gets close to Georgia tomorrow. And then we'll see the stronger winds come in through the Carolinas. Places like Myrtle Beach and Charleston that are so low lying really have the potential for flooding. And Megan, believe it or not, it will be the flooding rain in the Carolinas. So this is the potential rain. Look at the Florida coast. A couple inches of rain. Georgia as well, maybe again 1 to 3 inches. But look at Charleston, 5 inches. But then as we pull it out, look at this big swath right up and down the 95 corridor from New York to Washington, south through Virginia, in through North Carolina and South Carolina. All these low-lying areas, these areas could see 2 to 5 inches, maybe isolated 7 inches of rain. So when all is said and done, the biggest problems may be in the Carolinas and even farther north with flash flooding. So for us, we will not be impacted. We've got dry skies, sunshine, warm temperatures, another hot and humid day. We're starting it out in the 60s and low 70s. As we head through the day, notice we will see a bit more cloud cover than we saw yesterday. Today also initiating after lunchtime around 2, isolated thunderstorms that could pack quite a punch, maybe a 30% chance, so a better chance than yesterday, and these storms may be a little more potent than yesterday's as well. So today, partly sunny, 91 in Atlanta, 94 in Athens and Covington. Southeast of that, you may get into 96, 97 degree territory, so hot. 85 in Ellijay, it'll be 90 in Rome. Tomorrow will be our wettest day. A few showers and storms, kind of some bands from the tropical storm will move from kind of west to east and impact us. So tomorrow temperatures will be a little bit cooler, more cloud cover and some showers. But then we get into a 7-day forecast that's pretty bright and pretty warm. Temperatures hovering around the 90-degree mark from Tuesday through Saturday, Megan, and pretty low rain chances. So a warm week coming up, not a lot of rain chances. So some areas do need the rain, but a pretty sunny, dry week ahead after we head into Monday, and that's really our wettest day.